Okay, if you have an iPhone, you have a Freewell case like this. First of all, great case. Feels really strong in your hands. You can check out these filters right here. So this is the anamorphic lens right there. That's really cool. So you're gonna want to use your regular lens, which is this one right here. So we pop that on. And you're gonna notice, for one, the picture's really like warped. You'll want to use some other third-party software, third-party apps that can shoot it in that anamorphic. So here, if I pull up one of those right now, I could set it to that anamorphic and it will look a lot more cinematic. So I'll hit record on this so you can kind of see what it looks like when I put the video file up there, but it has the the black lines on the top and the bottom, just making it a wider angle, but then cropping it down. Definitely looks more cinematic. I love that. It also does come with some UV filters that you can screw on the top of that. So if it is bright or you're looking for more motion blur, you have ND64, ND32, ND16, and the ND8, and just the normal polarizer there. It's a really cool way to get more cinematic with your phone and your filmography on your phone. So I highly recommend that. That's so cool looking, and thanks for watching.